Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is March 11th here in New York City. I'm going to do an RNG problem, even though I really spent an hour in the other one, but I have to redeem myself, you know? And this one isn't even a premium problem, so I hope you do it with me. Today's extra problem is 921. Minimum add to make parens valid. A parenthesis is valid if and only if it is the empty string. Okay. Um, yeah, man, I think we can just greedily. Actually, can we? We can train root. N is 1,000. I was gonna say greedy. To be honest, is my first instinct. Of you just let it run. But and then at the end, you just kind of fill it in as necessary. I don't know how to prove that right or incorrect. It's either that or we have to do some DP thing. But well, I'm gonna try greedy. I'm to be honest, I don't really do this anymore, but I feel like it makes sense to me because no, maybe. But I don't have a case in my head. We can also do a DP. I think DP is actually pretty straightforward. And I'm just, to be honest, I'm just here to, maybe today's just a rough day, but I'm here to kind of trying to learn to see if there's a greedy. If there's a greedy, fine. If not, we'll just do the DP. DP is pretty straightforward. So, and we'll go over it. I don't mean to be like, oh, it's easy, and then just like type it out and no one learns anything. But I want to see greedy, right? So then now we have yeah, just like depth is equal to 0, right? So because I don't have a case off my head where you want to, right? So yeah, and maybe count is equal to 0, and for C and S, if C is equal to open, right, then we increase the depth. Otherwise, we decrease the depth, right? If depth is less than 0, depth is equal to 0, and we increment by 1. I mean, it can only go to -1, right? So that's why I wrote this way. And then we return count plus depth. Well, yeah, count plus depth, because then the depth is going to be the number of open parens you have left over. Okay. Not confident. Well, I mean, we could also have done DP, but I wasn't sure. I didn't have a case off my head that would make it easy to like, I didn't have a good counter example is why I did it this way. And also because, to be honest, there are not that many counter examples, right? There are really only a couple of edge cases with respect to, like, either you have left open this or early termination of the right parens, and some combination of but there's no weird way of face them. So that's why I was like, I think that's all the possible cases, even not even just so I don't know, which is not a great way for a proof, but that's basically the idea. It's just that at the end, the depth you have left over is just the number of open parens, and here when we go negative, then we're forced to close them. I mean, it was almost like a just-in-time thing, right? So like, you don't put in the parens unless it is absolutely necessary. And of course, this only is the case because we only have one type of parens. But I guess I might redeem myself a little bit because the linked list problem was a mess. But yeah, that's all I have for today, though. I gotta, I don't know, eat and cook some stuff. So I'll see you later. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Goodbye and take care. Doo-doo.